realize you need more space. Gotta sell the house. Oh, open housing. Or skip the hassle and sell with confidence to Opendoor. Wow. Request a cash offer at Opendoor.com. Growing up in Texas is all about hair. As I got older, I noticed premenopausal changes with my hair thinning. A friend of mine recommended Nutrafol. It's 100% drug-free and the formulas are clinically tested. In 3 months, I saw growth. Within 1 year, I felt like a completely different person. It feels wonderful to have that Texas hair that I had way back when. Try the #1 dermatologist recommended hair growth supplement brand at Nutrafol.com.
Ricola. And then saying Ricola. Ricola. You get it? Some cough medicine. Some cough drops. It says Ricola. Instead of how you say Ricola. Because of fart. Stinky.
My brain hurts.
Yeah, it's okay. Because maybe you got a headache.
At any age, you ought to be ready for your day, Cynthia. She doesn't have a day.